I'm Dipali Farnis Mohapatra. I'm coming from Chennai and I'm National Director for Mrs. Asia International, Mrs. Planet. And I'm here in Chennai to crown beautiful Mehak Murthy from Hyderabad. And she will be the first Indian to represent in a Mrs. Planet. This has been held from last 5 years, but still yet nobody participated. So she's doing the honor for the first time. Mrs. Planet is basically a world pageant. So last year around 46 countries participated. So this year we are expecting around 55 to 56 countries to participate. And this basically theme is to going green and save the environment. The message behind the pageant is that we should save our heritage in terms of the environment, climate changes and all that. So she will be the ambassador from India to go green, and she will promote Indian heritage in terms of our green farming, organic farming, and our organic fabric. So she will be ambassador of it. I'm basically national director for Mrs. Planet, and I took interest mainly because it has the cause. The main reason behind the motivation is beauty has no meaning without cause. So it's the strong message that it's a high time that we should stop pollution. We should start thinking about organic farming, using the natural fabrics and all. So that is the main thing, and I thought married woman is the best ambassador because she's the one who takes care of home and she's the one who makes the thing happen. And it's like connected married women and a green and a beauty pageant. So all together I took it. I think for me beauty is eternal. I never think beauty it's limited to figure. It's not in terms of height, not in terms of weight, not in terms of age. Beauty is eternal, it's timeless, and beauty is something that is inside of you, and it doesn't matter how old you are, how young you are. It's just beauty that you hold with you. I won Mrs. Asia International in 2012, and I will call my best achievement is starting a beauty pageant, because beauty pageant is where you get to meet all beautiful women. We get chance to provide them the platform. We get chance to hone their skills, and at the same time we get chance, to make them feel proud about themselves. We can encourage them, come out of the home. Life is just not, after marriage life doesn't stop. Come out and make difference to the society. Basically my pageants are dedicated to the causes where we do difference to the society. It's not just wear the crown and sit at the home. We ask them to come out, we ask them to encourage, to do the social work. So that is basically a big achievement for me. Mehak is no doubt, she is whatever the standard set by Mrs. Planet. The Planet, as I said, it's a world pageant, and they have their certain standards like height or communication skills or the knowledge, beauty, everything. So no doubt she is fit to that. But beyond that, what I look is beauty within, and Mehak is definitely not only well mannered, she is beautiful within. She is she is very supportive. Whatever we teach her or we ask her, she is very, and she takes the lead and she finishes the task. The main thing that I selected her in Mrs. Asia International in talent show, she did her talent where she showcased how to make a creative things out of the waste. So which is a very strong message for going green. Out of the plastic bottles she created the flowers. So out of the waste she created the flowers. So that was the main hint for me that I should send her as a green ambassador to Mrs. Planet, and that is how it triggered, and I sent her. I selected her. I should in fact thank to Mehak and her parents that making such a beautiful lady, and her husband for encouraging her to go out, and her family is very supportive, and she's going, I'm sure that she's going to make me proud, and I'm sure she's going to get back the crown, because the knowledge she has, her art is the main thing, which is create the beautiful things out of the West. And of course her height, her beauty, her communication skills, everything. So all together I think she is the perfect package for a married woman, and she's certainly going to come back with a huge crown. My expectation is, being a director now, I want my girls to come back with as many as crowns they can, and make my country as proud as of course when my country is proud, I'm proud. At the same time, I want my ambassadors. These girls are, the crown comes with a huge responsibility. So they are going to make difference to the society, which is indirectly my achievement. So I'm going to live my dreams through their eyes.